if you're doing 2-minute EWO, not scalp. Those are two different things. You have to allow at least a 25 to 40% maximum loss on the trade. So if you paid $1 for your contract, you could lose up to 40 cents, which means at the end of the contracts, they're going to be worth about 60 cents. That's the maximum loss we'll take. They all have to still make sense though. So if you entered the trade here, right, and it goes back up here. Now remember, we always want to shed. If you had 10 contracts, first big pullback, we shed, right? You shouldn't just be holding the thing, hold the line forever because you're going to miss out an opportunity to make money from here to here, right? Then once it pulls back, it's up to you, right? So as long as soon as you go green, you want to have your stop at or at least what you paid. So right here, let's say you paid $1, okay? Right at that purchase line. So as soon as it pops up, I move my stop up to about $1.10. No matter what, I make money on the trade. Even if it came all the way back down to $1.10, I still made money on that trade, right?